I hope you're doing great. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Honor's latest devices, the Honor 300 and Honor 300 Pro. And guess what? There's even a Pro Plus, and for the first time ever, an Honor 300 Ultra. Let's explore the leaks and details before the official launch, so buckle up. Oh, and don't forget to support us by hitting that subscribe button and liking this video to stay updated with all the latest tech. Let's get started. These devices are already available for pre-order in China, and the official announcement is just around the corner. The global launch, expected in about 2 months, just like we saw with the Honor 200 series. Exciting, right? Let's take a look at what you'll get in the box. Along with the device, there's a powerful 100W charger, a USB-C cable, a protective case, the usual user manuals, and a SIM ejector tool. It's everything you need to get started in style. Starting with the Honor 300, it boasts a flat 6.78-inch OLED display with 1.5K resolution and a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It's perfect for gaming, streaming, and everything in between. Now, the Pro model takes it up a notch with a curved OLED display of the same size and resolution. It features a peak brightness of a whopping 4000 nits and a slim, sleek design at just 6.7mm thick. Talk about premium looks. The Honor 300 is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, while the Pro version packs the mighty Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. Whether it's gaming, multitasking, or AI-powered features, these devices are built for speed and efficiency. With a 5300 mAh battery, both models promise all-day power. The 100W fast charging will juice up your phone in no time. Plus, the Pro version adds 66W wireless charging. How cool is that? Get ready to capture your world in stunning detail. Both devices feature a 50MP selfie camera, but the Pro model steps it up with a dual lens setup, a 50MP main lens, and a depth sensor. And on the back, a triple 50MP system, main, periscope, and ultra-wide. Your photography game just leveled up. These devices come with IP68 water and dust resistance, stereo speakers for immersive sound, and an in-display fingerprint sensor for seamless unlocking. Honor has truly delivered a premium package. And that's a wrap on the first look at the Honor 300 series. What do you think about these exciting devices? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and stay tuned for the official launch, where we'll dive even deeper. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exclusive tech content. See you in the next video.